Hey there, Carlos. It's Melissa. I just wanted to shoot you over a quick video of showing you some ways that you can increase your online presence. So when I typed in property line fencing Orlando, I found this website down here, but I'm not really sure if it's yours or not. But if it is, it really is not being seen at all. It has a few pictures on it, but not nearly enough content. And you really want to add like a few more pages, maybe the different type of fencing that you provide, vinyl fencing explanation, a wood fencing explanation, something like that. Um, so I'm going to go over here and Google fence install Orlando. That's typically something that people would be looking for, right? So all of these companies up here, they're actually paying for all of their advertising. And then when you scroll down a little bit, these are all called the Map Pack. So this is all people that have a Google My Business page. And from looking at this, it looks like you do have that. I'm assuming this is your company. So this is a Google My Business page. So it shows basically a map of where you're at. Usually it has a phone number, an address, and a website. So you really want to link your website to this and get a few more Google reviews as well. Typically you want at least about 25 reviews in order for you to try to get to the top of that page. Because typically when people come in and look for fencing, they're looking at these top three guys. They're not really even scrolling to the next page to see anyone else. They want to see the people with all the reviews so they can look at the quality of work and see what people have liked about them in the past, etc., etc. So then when you keep scrolling down, all of these are what's called the organics. So if you go to this page, Rose Fence Company. So if you look at their website, they have a lot more content. They have pictures, and just so you know, when you upload a picture to your website, that's actually seen in Google's eyes as well, as long as you're saving it the correct way. So you want to save it as something relative to your scope of work, like fencing, vinyl fencing, fence install, something like that. And then it'll actually count as a keyword. So what Google does is they have crawlers. They go through and look at everyone's content on their website, and that's a lot of the reason why they're ranking your website up to the top of that Google search page. A lot of it has to do with your content. So if you put a lot of relative content, including your scope of work and also the locations that you're providing that service in, it'll just push you a little bit better to the top of that page. So I have this thing called Ahrefs, and it actually analyzes a website and lets you know how much traffic's going there every month, and and it also tells you how many backlinks you have on your site. So a backlink is pretty much kind of like a popularity contest to Google. So any of the other websites or blogs or articles or anything that's really referring people back to your site. So a lot of it is, so say there's an article about fencing and it's listing, oh, hey, this guy does great fencing. Here's his website, and they're sending all these people back to your site. So when I look at this guy, they have 260 people coming to their site per month, and that has a lot to do with their organic keywords and also their backlinks. So they have 637 backlinks from 78 different referring domains, which is websites, articles, blogs, what we just spoke about. So basically, if you just get yourself a website with a lot of relative content, get yourself one of those Google My Business pages, try and get you to the top of here, you'll really get a lot more traffic coming in through your website and get you some more business. I hope this was helpful, and feel free to give me a call if you have any questions at all, and have a great night.